Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share this video. So, let's take a look at this GBPUSD for this week. So, first of all, sorry, we want to take a look at this GBPUSD for Monday, which is for the 12th. We want to know where this price will move. Also, have it in mind that a CPI news will be released on Tuesday, which I think, and if it would, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, but I think it was on Tuesday. Right. Once that CPI news will actually now determine the direction of this movement. But I still believe that CPI will actually come out negative, right? So that is to tell you that our USD itself will continue to drop. Then we would continue to see bullish momentum on GBP But before that, we want to see where this price will be moving on Monday, right? So now, before you actually move and we want to take that trade, we would want to ask ourselves what is the trend, right? So clearly we can see that this is an uptrend move. And I also did analysis on Wednesday, right? I told you guys you can go back and watch it to confirm. I told you guys that we would be having a bullish move on GBPUSD, which we actually did. You can see that we actually had close to 100 pips bullish move on that Wednesday. Thursday also we did analysis, and I also told you guys be expecting a bullish move, which we actually did, but unfortunately I was unable to do analysis on for Friday. But above all, I told you guys that we would still be expecting a bullish move. That we want to see that bullish move to take out this huge candlestick wick here. This ice you can see on this candlestick wick here. We'd want to see this price to go bullish and take it out, right? So that is to tell you that are we taking it out? Definitely not. So that is to tell you that Monday we still expect our price to give us a bullish move. So GBPUSD itself still expects a bullish move. That is one. When you take a look at this moving average that we guide us on how to trade, you will know that once this our price is above our 10 period moving average, clearly there is only one movement you should watch out for, which is to actually go long. So this price is above our 10 period moving average. We've gotten a pullback that has gone to tap our 10 period moving average, and now that price is giving us a bullish move. So we will see this price continue to go bullish to take out this high. So daily time frame on GBPUSD, we still speculate a bullish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. What does the 4-hour time frame says? We are seeing an uptrend move, and you can still see it still above our 10 period moving average. Like I told you guys that we would want to go long, right? We would want to go bullish, we want to take a buy on GBPUSD, and we would want to go to our 4-hour time frame to place such trade. So what does the 4-hour time frame also says? It says bullish. So that is to tell you that it is a confirmation we have to go bullish. Assuming we are seeing lower lows and lower highs, no, a movement like this, the advice would just be to stay out of this trade. But clearly we can see an uptrend move, which is higher as an higher close. To the fact that it's trading above our 10 period moving average, then GBPUSD, it is a bullish move. So you consider this as an impulse move, take this as a correction. You take a look at this as a new highs. You can now see this as a correction. After that, what do you expect next? Another impulse move. So Monday, guys, expect our GBPUSD to give us a bullish move.